Hi everyone there, this is Shambhavi. I welcome you to my channel Kara Sweet. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now get to know the best way to cook rice perfectly. Take 1 cup of rice in a rice measuring cup. Now pour this into a water draining bowl that drains off the water very easily. Now it's ready to be washed twice or thrice thoroughly, and once it is washed thoroughly, you need to allow the water to drain completely. And once it is ready, you can put it in the cooker. Now you can see the water is draining out completely. Now you can put it in the cooker, and along with this add 1 liter of water directly into the cooker. As we are cooking directly in the cooker, it makes the cooking faster. And allow this to boil for 5 minutes. This is the very easiest technique to cook faster when the time available is very short or when you're cooking in a hurry. And the rice texture also will be perfect. After 5 minutes, the water is boiled. You can see the bubbles are rising up. This is the time to close the lid. Please see to that the cooker whistle and rubber is intact with the cooker lid. Close the lid. As the water is pre-boiled, the first whistle would come off within 10 minutes. And then after it cools down, this is ready to be served. See to that the stove is in high flame. Now switch off the stove once the whistle comes. Please see to that the standby time is allowed only until the pressure of the cooker lowers down, and 2 to 3 minutes extra for it to settle or stabilize completely. And as the pressure is being lowered, now the rice is ready to serve. Thank you for watching.